Hi everyone, I would like to introduce to you a brand new field termination plug. It features unique PCB design, which is impedance controlled and electromagnetically balanced. First of all, determine which type of cable you will be using. Normally, in the modular plug terminated link, 23 gauge solid cable will be used. This is the strand relief, and you will find the arrow indication here. Use a cutter to cut off right after the arrow if using a 23 gauge solid cable. Then insert the cable through the strand relief. If 26 gauge stranded cable has been used for making a patch cord for data center or telecommunication room, then the cable can be inserted directly into the strand relief. Strip approximately 2 inches of the cable jacket. Fold back the shield braid. Spread each pair. Find the orange and brown pair. Remove the full length of the foil. Keep extra 0.5 inches of foil for green and blue pair. Adjust the extra foil and wire pairs as shown. Open the plug and take out the wire cap. Insert the green and blue pair through the underpass. Seat the orange pair first and then the brown pair. Green pair and then blue pair. Check again to make sure that all wires are in place. Use a cutter to cut off the excess wires. Adjust and make sure the wire cap is vertical to the cable. Also ensure all of the wires are cut flush and positioned in the right slots. At this moment, grounding procedure will be done. Sort out the shield braid. Keep 0.5 inches and remove the excess. Wrap the remaining braid evenly over the cable jacket. Place the loaded wire cap into the plug. Push against the front wall. Here is something to pay extra attention to. Use the thumb to push in the wire cap slightly to help to harmonize between the terminals and the wire cap. Once the wire cap is in position, then close the housing. Use a parallel plier or any equivalent tool to make sure the plug housing is completely closed. Now you will find the wire terminal being surrounded by robust die-cast housing and cannot be opened. Lastly, move the strain relief towards the plug, the signal mark to the signal mark, the PoE mark to PoE mark. Push it forward until you hear a click. Then you will find the plug being secured by locking mechanism on each of the 4 sides. Plug termination is now completed. This termination plug also features a secure key lock function. If you are the IT staff who is responsible for network security, you will try to avoid any unauthorized personnel to unplug or remove in order to jeopardize the network or suspend the camera recording. Here is something that you can do prior or after the termination. The latch is detachable. All you need to do is pull the latch all the way back. There's a chamfer right there. You can easily lift up and remove the latch like this. Now you will find there's very little spacing left. It becomes more difficult for any unauthorized personnel to unplug. You can always put back the detachable latch whenever you need to make any move, add or change to the network. If re-termination is required, let me show you how it can be easily disassembled. Use your fingernails to unclick the strain relief, like this. You will also need to use a flat screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver inside the gap. Turn it slightly to open the plug. Insert the screwdriver underneath the cable. Lever the wire cap off the plug with the screwdriver.